Jollibee will choose one gift. Alright, Jollibee will choose one gift if you're being. Alright, if you're being. Oh, if you're being. Alright, hello Jollibee. Alright kids, let's sit down. Let's sit down. Alright, very good. Hello best friend Jollibee, say hi to them. Hi. Oh, sit down lang. Hi. Hello. Alright, then naman best friend Jollibee. Welcome to grade 2. Ola, right, Ola. Ola farewell party. Ay naman. Kaya naman say hello to Jollibee. Ah, hi Jollibee. Hi Jollibee. Ayan. Kaya naman, let's do the challenge again. Alright, Jollibee Club together with Jollibee. Jollibee Club. Ah. Stand up kids. Let's do the Jollibee Club again. Oh, dila lang. Alright, Jollibee Club. Ah, lingkod. Jollibee Club naman. Alright, Jollibee Club in 3, 2, 1. Oo. Okay. Alright, Jollibee, nakalimot ko rin si Jollibee ba?